All right, we are back and it's time to do the painting. Whole G's been prepped, everything's ready to go. So now we're gonna spray it. We've got our green paint. We picked a color, went to Space Age. If you know paint shops here in Arizona, Space Age is the craziest place. So mix something that was very, very close to the green that was on there. So it'll match the inside outside. So you got a bunch of cans of this. This is not cheap. It's close to, I don't want to say $20 a can, but yeah, so paint's ready. Now, time to get spraying. All right, got the plastic taken off of the wheels. You can see the fresh paint on there looks super good. We're gonna get these wheels pulled off because we got the new tires we're gonna put on, our Crosswind Mountain mud terrain tires from Walmart right there. So we're gonna get these all done. We're gonna get the wheels powder coated in black to get a little freshen up. So gonna get these things off and get them over to powder coat to get back on. While we let the paint do its thing and dry and sand and get it covered some more, we're actually going to work today on the engine. We're going to pull this header out, strip it down best we can manually, and we're going to paint it with some VHT gray paint to help really kind of clean the bay up. Got some other things going on too. The intake's been all painted. We got the boxes that's down there that's painted, and we're going to redo the valve cover in green to match. So I've got some stuff in the works, so we're going to get this going right now. Just got done painting the manifold with some VHT paint here. It's like 2,000 degrees or something, but this thing came out really nice. So excited to have this. It'll make the engine bay look so much cleaner. So we'll get that put back in here once it dries. It's been a major progress day on the G. Let me show you guys what we've accomplished. Pretty much the engine is all together with all the bits that we trimmed up. We got the air box over there. We kind of repainted all that so it's nice and clean. Storage box that's in here, that's in here now. Did the lid in a textured black. Valve cover, which looks great, is the same green that's on the exterior. And of course, the manifold that I did the jet hot coating in. So engine is looking on par. And we trimmed up the front end, taped off black because we had some overspray there. And we got the front flaps done. That's in a textured black. So both sides of those are done now. So that is looking really, really good. Of course, the body, it's all still curing. We're going to not touch anything, and then we'll reverse tape so we can do this blue tape area in black. So that's going to come up next. Well, we got the hitch all painted, cleaned this area up, had some overspray, so got this all nice and done. And then we finally got one of the parts back on, and this is the tire swing. Got this thing bolted on, so this is good. It's all done in textured black. Couple little touch-ups to do, but looking great. So really pumped on the way that's turned out. Put an extra coat on the grill, so we're gonna get that installed with the light covers next. And yeah, got the Mercedes emblem that goes on the grill nicely cleaned up. We should have some major updates next because we'll be putting on the front end, got the wheels and tires coming back, and some other stuff.